Hey everybody, it's Positive Bluebird. So I'm in my son's room and as you can see, it's a little busy. Quite a bit busy. So I have an idea about moving his television, which is not heavy at all. These flat screens are great because they're lightweight and easy to move. However, I'm in a dilemma because he does play video games on here, and I'm praying to God that I can move everything and keep it on this long extension cord and not unplug anything and not jack everything up, because I will never hear the end of it, as my son is 17 and a half and he has a social network that he hangs out with through his video game system, and it will be the death of me. Yes, he forgot to make his bed. And the dog likes to hang out in his window. Very messy window. This is from the rain spouts that they're still trying to figure out from the roof. It would be nice if we can get that figured out because it's really gross. But anyway, that's besides the fact of me having to figure out a better organization system for his entire family here. Oh, this is nothing. You should see the closet. I at least bought him some baskets to try to organize a little bit. Hey, we've all seen Toy Story, so same with the cat. All right, wish me luck, guys. I hope that this will work and he won't get angry, but I just thought his little bucket chair could sit over here where the piano bench is, and then we can elevate the TV up here behind this giant mess. I have an idea. So this might take me all day, but I thought about maybe moving the top shelf of games and whatnot somewhere else and using this top shelf for the back of the piano right back here, and then the TV can stand on top of it or sit on top of it, however, whatever, right? This is a big mess. I'm gonna get started and then hopefully my son will be okay with it, and then maybe he can help me finish the rest of his cleaning. All right, guys, hope you're having a terrific Thursday. Peace out and stay positive. Hey everybody, it's Positive Bluebird again. I just got confirmation from my son through text while during passing period that it is okay for me to unplug his video game system. Yay! Have a good one, guys. I'll show you later the aftermath, whether it's tonight or tomorrow.